Hello bag lovers, how are you? Hope you're having a great time. Today I will be sharing with you my mini bag that is inspired by the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette, and I really love to have that mini pochette, but since I couldn't afford it at this moment, so this is the closest that I can get. And I really was happy to be able to find this one. I bought this even before the home quarantine from this COVID virus, and this is the only time that I was able to film this video, and I want to share with you this very great find. This bag measures almost 8 inches, but it is 19 cm by 11 cm, and the width is also the same, that is expands on the bottom side is 5 cms. And I really love the material that they used because it is some kind of pebbled leather that is coated, and the stitchings I really like because it is very well made, doesn't have any loose stitchings, and the coatings are really smooth and intact. I really love also this gold hardware, very classy looking, and of course the zipper that is gold. I really like that. And it also comes with a chain, this gold chain that is also inspired with that mini pochette. It has this, the one side is fixed, on the other side is a hook. You can remove it and also make use it as a wristlet if you want. And the hook is also inspired by it, but doesn't have any brand. On the front area, it has this magnet closure. Currently I placed my key right there. I can easily access it. On the back portion of it, it has the zippered area, zippered pocket, but it is colored black. But the zipper pull looks the same as the one on the main compartment. You can easily put some coins there, some cash, or even your cards if you want to access it very easily. Then let's see what's inside. I have inside now, I carry a small bottle of alcohol. This is my phone. I have a big phone, so you can easily see that it fits this mini pouch. And on the zippered portion of the back, I carry some panty liners. So I really want it there so that when I open my bag, you can see any feminine products in there. So it's inside. On one side of it, I carry a pen. On the middle pocket, on this middle zippered pocket, I carry some medicines, emergency medicines. So now I have my Saridon. This is for headache. Then I also have Biogesic, paracetamol. Then I have Circ, Cirque. This is for vertigo. This is for my husband. And I also have this Kreml S for antacid. Then I have Band-Aid. And of course, I always carry this very thin thermometer in case I need it. So that's inside this mini zippered area. And on this side, other side, I have just a card case, card holder, and then I have a tissue pack. And then on the last two pockets on this side, I currently carry my angel, Saint Raphael. He is always in my bag. And then what else? Of course, my favorite chapstick, my menthol stick, especially now. The weather is really hot here in the Philippines, so I really need this in case I have a headache. And I have this Human Nature tinted lip balm. So that's, and last one I have is a pin for my SIM card. So that's how it looks like inside. There's this wipeable brown lining. I really should hope this looks different, like a fuchsia pink or a red. That would be much better if they put color inside of this, a pop of color inside of this. But brown is very standard. So but these dividers are very functional for me, so I really like it. And then close it. You can place this mini cute pouch in your bag, in your shopping tote, and everything you need is in here, organized here. When I got this one, this sling came with it. So that's this part leather and part chain. So if you want to carry it crossbody, so this came with it. And I also tried another thing from my other bag. This is a different material. It is also black, but it is not shiny, but I just tried to put it here in case I don't want to use the sling, I mean the chain, this chain. Okay, let's see and look. It looks really nice and comfortable if you put on your shoulders or on the crook of your arm. Very nice. So this is my mini bag. I really love it and enjoyed it. I really hope they come up with other colors of this one, and I will definitely gonna buy them also. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this one, and please continue to enjoy, to relax, and to thank God for all these blessings. Bye.